Here is our 18 watts 66 LED full spectrum C coral lamp, 35.43 inch black. This lamp is scientifically matched, close to natural light, and vividly reproduces the original light conditions. The color is more natural and the watercolor is clearer, which restores the fish's true and moving colors. The natural light can also protect the growth of aquatic plants. The structural design of the aluminum alloy ensures good heat dissipation and improves the service life. In appearance, it breaks the traditional design and adopts a light and thin design, which is more simple and beautiful. Highlight lamp beads with strong penetrating power, natural and transparent light and thin aluminum alloy lamp body, simple and beautiful, energy saving and long-lasting brightness, soft light without flashing screen.